just got up. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I decided I want to shave, but guess what? The shop is closed. I ran out of shaving cream. What should I do then? But you know what? I have a way to do it. So I'm gonna guide you through. So please hold on. Shh. Don't tell your wife. Pinch of olive oil. Okay? So basically, you just dip a tiny dash of olive oil to do your shaving. If you're running out at 6 o'clock, the shaving cream. Okay? So basically, you know, olive oil. Yeah? Don't let them know. Got the olive oil. A tiny bit of olive oil. Yeah. As you can see, some olive oil. Basically, when you shave, is you're using lubricant. Even you can use your car engine oil, olive oil, or any oil, or some other part of midnight lubricant as well. So yeah, basically, if lubricant is good, then you will shave your hair more cleanly. So basically, what you need to do is, okay, you can use a brush to brush up your head, okay, or else you can dip the middle finger, just run it a bit on the top, okay. Because running out of olive oil, I'm running out of shaving cream. That is the reason why I don't have a choice. Yep. So, and this, the razor, sometimes it's blunt as well. What you can do, if you can use a belt as well. Okay. Basically, you can use a belt. So basically, I have two pieces of advice, which is you can use the discarded jeans as the base for the sharpener, as well as the belt. Okay, so how to do that is the blade, as you can see, shape as downwards. Yeah, so what you need to do is you run across that just downwards rather than you have to pull back. So just run a couple of times. Okay, very gently. You don't want to destroy the belt, or else you can also don't want to destroy the belt. You can use this discarded jeans is another method. So basically the same thing, just run smoothly across that a couple of times. Then eventually the blade will become sharp, more sharpened. Okay, then I begin to shave. What do you think? So, if you feel scratchy or anything, usually that a healing cream, especially this weather is quite dry now in the winter, so you can rub some on it. It'll heal the cream. I know it's a bit white, but at least you'll heal your face. Then wipe it off. And it's smooth like a baby. Or else, if you don't have this cream as well, you can either substitute with some essential oil as well, or even I usually use shaving cream. I use a shaving cream as well as a healing cream as well. Not a cream, sorry, oils. So just rub a bit. And it smells sandalwoodly nice. So yeah, you're good to go. So stay tuned, and if you have any idea that you want to experiment or anything, please drop down a comment, and I would like to try on as well as the video for myself, and then post it online for you guys. Okay, so thank you guys. I am great to thank you for taking your time to see my video. Bye.